Hello and welcome to the Selenium Python tutorial 11. It deals with Python automation testing with Selenium WebDriver Python. In this tutorial, you will learn Selenium Python logging. First, import logging library. You can write direct logging commands to log messages of multiple levels. These logging levels are debug, info, warning, error and critical in increasing order of severity. Using logging.basicconfig, you can configure logging to log only certain levels, or you can specify a format, or you can specify the log file and so on. In this tutorial, I will write a Python Selenium logging function to log messages automatically. You will also see this function working for success and failure in a Selenium Python script. Now let us automate using Selenium WebDriver Python. Here is the first Selenium Python example. Now I have created a new Python script called logs.py, and the first line of code here is import logging as alias L. This is the import logging in Python 3. Logging.debug. Note that the method is in lowercase. And similarly we have logging.info, logging.warning, logging.error and logging.critical in increasing order of severity. Now let us run this Python script. And here we can see that it has logged only the warning, error and critical. It has not logged the debug and info messages. For that we have to configure logging. So we can say logging.basicconfig, and we can give the starting level as logging.debug. Notice that the constant is in capitals. Now let us run this and see the difference. Here we are getting the debug, info, warning, error and critical message. Now let us see another Python logging example. This is the utilities Python script that I showed you in my Selenium Python tutorial 10. Now I will write the log function in it. First, import logging. Notice that logging starts with a lowercase l, and I can give the alias as capital L or something. And after the existing functions, I can create a new log function. The user defined function starts with the keyword def and then the name of the function. And this function is going to have 3 parameters. I want to give level, message and the file in which the logging will take place. So first we have to configure logging library l.basicconfig, and here we can specify a bunch of arguments. For example, we can say that the starting level is logging.info, and then the file name I can get from the file argument, and then file mode I'll keep it as append. This is to append the log file. If we give the file mode as W, then every time we run this, it's going to overwrite the previous log entries. Next, we can specify a format. Say, so here you can see in the format that there is date and time, and it's a string. Then it's going to put the level name, and then it's going to put the message. And the date time format is given in the date fmt argument. So first it's going to put day, month, year, then hours, minutes and seconds. Next, I have to write few lines of code. So if the level argument is equal to info, then logging dot info. So if the level is info, I'm going to call the info method, and here I can log the message. If the if statement has a single line of code in it, we can put it on the same line. The same thing we need to do for the other severity levels also, warning, error and critical. So I'll copy it and paste it 3 times, and the after info it is warning. And after warning I want to handle the error log. Logging dot error, and after error the last level is critical, and logging dot critical. This function is complete. Let me call this log function in the checkbox Python script that I showed you in my Selenium Python tutorial 3. Now here, first of all, we have to import utilities. Import utilities because the log function lives in utilities, and I can give the alias as capital U. Next, I need to specify the log file. I'm going to put the log file in the logs folder here. So copy this, and the log file is this. Now since this path has backslash, we need to put another backslash before it to escape it, otherwise Python will give an error. And this is the folder, and the name of the file I'm going to keep as log checkbox quiz.txt. And apart from this, I want to log in the case of success as well as failure. So let me create a pass message, and the pass message is going to be answered correctly and the question number. And I also need a fail message. Answered incorrectly, question number, because this Python script answers a quiz with checkboxes automatically. Now within the loop we have to call the log function. So if the answer has been given, utilities dot log, and here we need to give 3 arguments. Now because it has been answered correctly, I'll give info and pass message, and give the question number also, stri, and give the log file that I defined above. These 3 lines of code I need to replace whichever combination is there. Okay, and at the last combination also I should give this, and still if the question has not been able to answer, then I can call the log function with error, because none of our combinations worked. So the level is error, and I want to give the fail message and give the question number also, which is I converted to a string, and the third argument is the log file. Now this script is complete and there is no log file here. Let me right click and run this. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser. Selenium WebDriver has opened the web page with the checkboxes and it is answering the questions. Let me fast forward this and I'll show it to you when it has answered all the questions. The script execution is now complete, and if we look at the answers, it is correct, 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 and correct. But in number 9 it is not correct. Let us go and look at the log file now. Now here is the log file, and here we can see it answered correctly question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and question 9 it answered incorrectly, so that is why we got an error in the log, and question 10 was answered correctly. That's it for Python browser automation in the Selenium WebDriver Python tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel to know about the upcoming tutorials in this Selenium with Python training. Thank you.